Anchor's been pretty good to me recently. They sent me another pair of earbuds, true wireless earbuds. Let's see. This is probably gonna be a brief unbox video, and I'm gonna let you know how I think after I use it for a while. And disclaimer, they sent this to me free of charge, but they did not ask me to say anything nice about it, okay? I'll just give you my brutally honest opinion. By the way, these are the things I reviewed in the past, but I really like the Soundcore Q20 earphones, active noise canceling Bluetooth headphones. And well, let's go back to these. This is called Life Dot 2, and I also have a Spirit Dot 2, which is IPX7 waterproof. I did a waterproof testing video a couple weeks back, and maybe you guys can check it out. Well, the design is different. So this is the Dot 2. This is Life Dot 2. This is Spirit Dot 2. Type-C charging. Type-C charging. This is IPX5 waterproof, water resistant. This cannot be dropped or submerged into water, but it can be splashed, I believe. So the case has protective film on these contact points. So they are not fully charged, I believe. Like this. It's pretty big, as they claim 100 hours with the charging case. And this has a significantly larger battery, and it is thicker and longer, I think. About the same length, but it is longer. This is their more premium earbuds, Liberty Pro 32 Pro, right? It has a very solid, this is one of the most solid case I've seen so far. It's very, very solid and has that very distinct sound when you close and open. This just has a very positive stop here. Doesn't feel like it's gonna break easily, but these sliding cases are something I don't like. Pretty flimsy. Sometimes I would squash it open in my pocket, but this thing is very big though. The size, that's the thing I don't like. Maybe if they cut the size in half, that'd be wonderful, right? So it came with the median. Let me put them in my ear, and pairing starts. Battery high, set battery high, and we have a Type-C charging cable and all these ear tips. Connect. All right, it's connected. Yeah, it works very well. Very crystal clear sound, but I would draw my conclusion after I use it for a couple weeks. Stay tuned, click like if you like this video, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Long-term review coming soon.